Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, welcome to my class. I am DesignWithOtabil, your tutor today. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit a Word document. At the end of this class, you will be able to use the bold, italic, and underline options very well. Change the font size, font type, and also change the cases of letters. You would also be able to change the font color, use the align left, center, and right options very well. And lastly, you will be able to use the bulletin options very well. To bold a document, you first need to highlight the section you would want to bold. After highlighting, you click on the B icon on the toolbar to bold. And to apply italic to a text, you click on the italic document, and same thing applies to the underline. But always remember, you need to highlight the document before you click on the options. Now let's move on to changing the font size. So to change the font size, you always need to highlight before you start to edit. So you highlight the section you want to change the size, then you click on this button, then you select any number you would want to choose. So I will select 20 and change the font size. Now let's move on to font type. So font type, I click on this button. I want to select Times New Roman. I'm changing the font type to Times New Roman. I click on Times New Roman and it changes the type. So moving on to the next, I would want to change the cases of these words here, these words. So I highlight it and I click on this button. When you put the mouse pointer on the button, it gives you the option name to change case. I click on change case and I select uppercase. Changes to uppercase for me. I want to change it back to lowercase. Yeah, change it back to lowercase for me. Now let's move to the font color. Font color, this is the font color. So I click on this A and select red. Changes it to red for me. I would like to change it back to yellow. Yes, and this is it. So moving on, let's try to align left, align right, and center. So I highlight the section I would want to do that to. Highlight, there's the center. I click on center. It takes the document to the center of the working area for me. I click on align right, then it takes it to the right for me. I click on align left, it takes it to the left for me. So that's it for the align right and left center. Now let's move on to the bulletin. So for the bulletin section, you won't have to highlight everything. You just need to put the cursor at the beginning of the sentence and just click on this button on the toolbar, bullets. It just gives you the bullet option here. So there are other options with the bulletin. When you click on the arrow just by the bullets option, it gives you other option. You can select any. And also you can also select numbers or the Roman numerals for the bulletin. Yeah. So this is the end of the class for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.